Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to highlight text in Canva Presentation. After starting Canva, we can choose Presentation as a new design. And then we can go to left toolbar, we can find text, click, and then we can use add a text box. To add a text box, I want to enlarge it, so I press Alt and click and drag to enlarge it. I use double click to select all the texts and I change it. I change highlight text. After typing, we can select the text box and go to top option bar. We can find effects. And then go to effects panel. We can find background. Click it to add background for the text. So we can see the highlights behind the text. We can customize the shape. We can make it sharp corner or we can make it round. And also we can change the size and we can change the opacity. And also we can change the color. For example, I change to pink. So this is how we can highlight text in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.